Good morning po, ako po si Ann from Multimedia Ministry and Kindness Level Ministry. Our verse for today is found in 1 Peter chapter 5 verses 6 to 7. It says, "So humble yourselves under the mighty power of God, and at the right time, He will lift you up in honor. Give all your worries and cares to God, for He cares about you." Nung akin pong nabasa yung verse po na ito, napatanong po ako sa sarili ko, how can I be humble before the Lord? Or in what way can I show my humility before the Lord? It is clear to me who God is, that God is omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient. He is powerful, gracious, just, and merciful God. And I know who I am before the Lord. That apart from what He has done for me on the cross, I am as good as a dead body. I am nothing without God's grace. But sometimes in life, in our daily living, natural po sa atin na magkaroon ng sense of pride in our life, sense of control sa buhay natin. Kaya nga po tayo ay nagpaplano para sa mga gagawin po natin, nagpaplano sa buhay natin, tulad ng budget, pagplano ng mga gagawin sa isang buong linggo, sa trabaho, pagplano ng kinabukasan, pagplano ng mga pupuntahang lugar, invitation. Ngunit, hindi naman po iyon masama. For God wants us to be wise with how we manage our time, our money, our resources. It's just that these plans could sometimes become our source of security. That sometimes we forget about God and focus on our own abilities, on how good our plans are. And I think that is how we become proud before God, when we acknowledge ourselves more than the Lord. Kaya po madalas kapag dumadating ang pagsubok at challenges sa buhay natin, tayo po ay nag-worry, na nag-aalala na baka hindi sapat yung mga nagawa natin para mag-succeed yung mga plano natin, o nag-aalala tayo baka nagkaroon tayo ng pagkukulang sa mga plano natin, na baka kulang tayo. But God's words remind us that when we humble ourselves before the Lord, when we give to Him all our worries and cares, when we acknowledge before God that, Lord, I'm not enough. My abilities are not enough. It will never be. That's why, Lord, I offer these plans to you. Do whatever you want about it. I trust you, for you care for me and the things that I care for. Casting all our cares to the Lord will not only give us peace, but will also produce a gratefulness in our hearts. And we know that gratitude is the antidote of pride. To humble ourselves before the Lord is to let go of our worries and trust the Lord, for He is for us.